A doubt from logarithm chapter. If log a upon b minus c is equal to log b upon c minus a equal to log c upon a minus b, then prove that a to the power a into b to the power b into c to the power c is equal to 1. Now let us look at what is given. Let us write it down. So let us say let each one of these equal to k. Because there are three terms which are equal, you cannot take LCM, you cannot do anything else. So we call each one of these terms as k. So therefore I'll have log a upon b minus c is equal to k. Therefore I'll say log a is equal to k into b minus c. Let us do the same thing for the second term. So log b will be equal to k into c minus a. Let us come to the last term. Therefore, log c will be equal to k into a minus b. So far so good. So if I have log a is equal to k into b minus c, we are interested in a to the power a. Now only a means I have to write this expression in exponential form. Now these ones are all common logarithms, so I'm going to write over here 10 as the base, 10 as the base and 10 as the base. Okay, so therefore I will say that 10 to the power k into bracket b minus c is equal to a. This becomes 10 to the power k into c minus a, and that's equal to b. And here 10 to the power k into a minus b, that is equal to c. Okay, now they are telling you a to the power a into b to the power b into c to the power c. What will that equal to? A is 10 to the power k into b minus c, and this is to the power a, into what is the value of b? B is this, so that is 10 to the power k into bracket c minus a and bracket to the power b into 10 to the power c has the value 10 to the power k into a minus b, and this is going to be raised to the power c. Okay, so that will be equal to 10 to the power, here it becomes ak into bracket b minus c into 10 to the power bk into bracket c minus a into 10 to the power ck into bracket a minus b. Correct? So we will have 10 to the power, here k will be common for all. So k into box bracket a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b, and when you open the bracket 10 to the power k into bracket, open these brackets, so ab minus AC will be from the first term plus BC minus BA, and here plus CA minus CB. Okay, so AB gets cancelled with this AB, AC gets cancelled with this AC, and this gets cancelled with this. So you will have 10 to the power k multiplied by k into 0, which will be 10 to the power 0. That will be equal to 1. Okay, so this was our LHS. We will write here LHS. This is equal to 1, which is RHS, and we'll say hence proved. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Understand the different techniques that we have used and different laws of logarithms that we have used, and practice it. All the best. Thank you for watching. Bye.